What's up everybody, this is Swaroop here and welcome to your let's see your 12th C programming tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you guys how to use a certain looping statement known as the while loop. Well, the basic idea of using a while loop is to reduce your effort in tasks in which you have to execute a piece of code repetitively. And let me show you what I mean. Let's have a variable. I'll name it count. Just make it equal to 0 for the beginning. The basic syntax of while looks like if, which we have seen a couple of tutorials before. While followed by two closed braces and the two curly braces. So within these curly braces we'll write the code which we want to get executed multiple times. Let's say I want to print the count, so we'll do %d counter and make it %d \n. Okay, perfect. So now it just prints counter multiple times, but you may ask me, Swaroop, how many times did it print it? So that's what we will write in this curly brackets, as I call. In this we will write what we call as the looping condition. So depending on whether the condition is satisfied or not, the loop part executes. So let me say count less than 5. So every time it checks whether count is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, it prints this. If it is not, it just ignores it. So till now count is 0, so it comes here, 0 less than 5, prints this. Again goes back here, count less than 5, prints this. Count less than 5, prints this. So it keeps on goes for ever and ever, which we call as an infinite loop, which is completely undesirable. So we have to make a breaking condition which stops our process after certain number of times. So we do that by using increment operator, which we have seen in the last tutorial, count plus plus, which increments count every time. So first time it comes here 0 less than 5, so enters here, prints 0, and then the count becomes 1. Then next time 1 less than 5, true, so prints 1, and now it became 2. 2 less than 5, prints 2, and 3 less than 5. So it goes on till the count became 5, and when count is 5 less than 5, which is false, so it ignores this. If it's anything after the while part, it will execute that, but here we didn't have anything, so it stops there. So let's run this. Oh, I got a little error here, as if you can see, which says counter. Oh, I think I messed up with this. It's count, not counter. Let's run this again. Now as you can see, it outputted 0 1 2 3 4, but when we 5 less than 5, it got out of the loop. So here if we want to check even for 5, we may keep an equal to here, and that will give 5 also, so we'll get till 5 then. So once again, the syntax of while will be while, beside it will be our looping condition, and then the piece of code which we want to execute multiple times. So we always must have this thing which controls the number of times the loop is going to execute. So if we want it 6 times, we'll start from 0 till 5. If we want it 5 times, we'll start from 0, we'll take out the equal to sign. Even we can start with 5 here, and we can do count minus minus. We can check for greater than 0. Now 5 is greater than 0, so it enters and prints 5. Now it decrements, it became 4 greater than 0, it prints. Now it's 3 greater than 0, it prints 3, and now it's 2 greater than 0, it prints 2, and so on till it becomes 0 greater than 0, false, it comes out of the loop. So you can see 5 4 3 2 1. So with this you can see that we can print a pattern of numbers using loops, and I'm sure you have understand the use of using while loop here, because we don't want to write this 5 times. We have written this only one time, but we have got the output as if we have written it 5 times. So that's the use of while, and just play around with the code a couple of times and you will become an expert in no time. As always, I'll put this code on my blog, which the link to which is there in the description below. If see, you can see it if you want. And so that's it for this tutorial. Give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel for further updates and further tutorials. So thanks for watching.